Ka book pales kawan ra shapi ya ka kod yara papura ka general studies paper 1 pinkeng aktiari lade na ka benda ki competitive exam kum ka MCS MPS bat ki way ki allied services kat kum ka syllabus but to my tam jong ke MPSC araja R4 phila ban yo ye ka na kidukan kod paro ha shilong Dakathong ban kentiu ya ke imlang ka salang bat panrat dengkhong ya ke jingduk bat ki jing ka Piramal Foundation mentakasngi hakasin ka banengkong kala penlong ya ke jing ya kendu lang bat ki seng Tremon Sobha baper ha Ri-Bhoi District ka badeiru ka aspirational district ha ke jela ban yamir jingmot ban yakilyang ya ke jingtip bat ki jing start na ka wei ke jaka shakawei pat ya ke ke jing ya kendu lang la penlong ha science hall nongpo ha ka jing ya trelang bat ki board district jong ke Ri-Bhoi kumba khasantli ki seng Tremon Sobha baper kila shimmenta ha ka ke jing lang na ka benta banwan ra ya ke jing kala khamtam ki shnong ki badang sadum bat ki badang don hapdeng jong ki jing babun habakren shaki lat pathai kubor menta kesngi ka Toiba Sultana ka badai ka senior program manager jong ka Piramal Foundation kala ong ba ka thong jong ka tei ka jing kendu lang kalong bantim ya ki kam ba ki seng Tremon Sobha baper ki trei ha ka nei district bat ki jing ba ki pa ba ki ya kendu la ong ru ba ka Piramal Foundation ka don ka thong banyara ya ki bat ka trei na ka benta ka koi ka kia ka puli puti jong ki khon samla bat ban yo ru ya ko ombam omni ka babyang hakish nong ki thau kala ong ru ba ka te ka foundation ka ngei ba de tang ka jing tre lang jong ki seng baper ka sarkar bat ki pa ba kala banwan ra ye ka jing kala ban pen urlong ye ka jing ang no jong ki pa ba badai hadin balawat benia ya ki jing bagi pa ba ki ya kendo ha ki imlang salang ka te ka foundation kan satre kam banwan ra ki jing pen mi pisa lengba ki nong no senyang baper nadu ki company rengkat ke sarkar banweng yi ke jing jong ki pa ba la ong ru ba ka te ke dei ke jing simkhia bat ke jing sedang bat ke jing yu i jinga jong omentri rang ba kari u Narendra Modi ban kentiu ye ki shnong baper namar ki pa ba ki don kam ye ki jing kala ban ka jing mentoi ban nang kiu ya ka rukom im bat ka roi ka par habaro ki liang kum ka foundation kala sedang menteri habaro ki hispa kharat li ki aspirational district hapo ka ri baro ka we bat kani kan long ka jingker khu bat ka jing mentoi ka bakraw ya ki pa ba.
This is happening for the first time across India, and this is specifically for the aspirational districts. So it's a collaboration which is formed where we are getting Samaj Sarkar and Bazaar, which is if we are only working with civil society organizations, the problems are not going to be solved. We also need government intervention. We also need there are a lot of corporates, there are a lot of CSR bodies who wants to fund money, who want to invest in development sector, and we all have to get all of them together. So this is a very large big platform where we have government body also, where we have civil society organizations also, and where we have CSRs, philanthropists, funders who wants to invest money. So therefore we are doing it on all the 112 aspirational districts, and this is happening for the first time. This is an initiative by the Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, and this is going to the overall objective is that we are here to stay for another 10-12 years, and for the upliftment of the society to eliminate poverty. This is the ultimate objective that we want to serve. But in doing so, because there are so many problems, there are diverse problems, there is so Niti Aayog is already working on different dimensions, whether it is education, health, livelihood, because these are aspirational districts. There are lot of challenges from all the domains, and if every one of us, be it the civil society organization, be it the government, be it CSR, we don't come together, we will not be able to solve the problem. So this is a space. In the later half, we are actually also trying to. We have come up with an app which is called Mera Yogdan app, where we will have the details of all the civil society organizations and plus the CSR. So suppose there is an organization in Jaisalmer who is working in livelihood, and there is someone in Ri-Bhoi who is also working in livelihood. So can they collaborate? Can we get the ideas about what is happening there? So if you will be in that platform, which you will do in the next 2-3 hours, how are they going to learn from each other? What are the interventions that is happening there, and how can that can be adopted here? But the whole idea of engaging with the local community, with local NGOs, because it's aspirational district, there are challenges, and the challenges are also very very local. So till the time there is not local bodies who will take ownership, the problems will not be solved.
So, Edual Mission Society began in the year 2005, and primarily its aim was to cover only Umsning area, but today it has grown to the whole of Ri-Bhoi District, developing and empowering through education, social and health dimensions of the people. Basically, the organization was started in the year 2005 under the name of Umsning Parish Educational and Welfare Society, and later on it was changed to Edual Mission Society on 10 February 2014. Therefore, the area of jurisdiction was further extended to cover the entire area of Ri-Bhoi District. Much progress has been made in the field of skill development. The society has a vocational institute and skill development center to impart skill knowledge in different sectors, which it believes that those who pass out from here will find avenues for gainful employment and upward mobility. Free skill training programs of short-term duration in tali, computer networking, floriculture, embroidery, woodwork, and poultry farming. And the motto of the society is serving for progress, and its vision is to spread the knowledge related day-to-day living in all spheres of life, especially targeting the youth force.
Have this digital education program where we teach them to, I don't know if it is visible or not. This place where we have set up the school, there is no network. So, and electricity is also, it's very erratic. So we have a system supported with solar, and we run contents, educative videos through this system. And this picture is of our students. They have a Nutri Kitchen garden where they used to learn, and also like out of the garden they would cook midday meals for themselves.